What time are we on? Wow, it's still so early.
Hey, I couldn't find anything to eat. The kitchen's pretty cleaned out. Oh shoot, I left my bag. I brought you this.
That was... Fuck. I don't even know what happened. It was all just a blur.
It was Nick and Abby. The hunters must come here.
How are you feeling?
How are you holding up?
I'm... well, I'm just happy you're okay. Are you okay? I'm sorry, I just asked you that.
It's okay.
Or maybe it was M. I mean, fuck.
They're off to find a radio.
You know who I mean, Caitlin. They can't have people with
What's
the
with
same
them?
names.
They found another in Mr. H's office, so just in case.
What happened to the lights?
Not sure. Any better?
I'm doing okay. Kinda.
It makes more sense for it to be Caitlin.
Wait, are they going to the radio hut?
Phone's dead. They're gonna try to send out an SOS or something. We're holding down the fort.
Did anybody else hear that?
Shh.
Get him, Caitlin.
I thought you said Dylan and Ryan already left.
Wait, stay here. I'll check it out.
We'll be fine. Just be careful.
Stay alert.
Stay safe, Caitlin. You're gonna have to clutch here. So it means it was Abby. It was Abby that has to defend Nick. Which means they either pass Caitlin. Okay, it really doesn't mean anything with Caitlin. A million things can still happen. It's a different story. But, I don't know if you want to have it over your shoulder like that. It's convenient with it to record. They're gonna come down the chimney. Here he is. You got him. You got him, Caitlin. That must be his brother. Mr. Hackett's brother.
No sign of him.
When you find them, hunt them. And keep me posted, Bobby.
Mr. Hackett. Bobby, his name is, though. It's not T, so it might not be his brother. It's the first thingy I've had, quick time event that went left. I felt like it wanted to throw me off there. It's got a sniper. M. Oh, M. Shit. I'm gonna keep pulling her M throughout all of this. It's not even deliberately. She's fucking big brain though. Look, it doesn't matter where you hide as long as you're in a place in the shadows with no light. She's right in front of him, but he can't see because of the shadow. Run. He's not gunning for you, is he? What's this?
Jesus, what?
Do you throw me? Some type of pain.
What
He's
do
not
you
shooting
want?
you. He could have shot you by now. He's not shooting you. Oh my god. I can shoot his leg. Oh. Focus.
Answer me, dumbass. Have you got it?
Caitlin.
Hey, so this may not be like the best time per se, but like,
What?
yeah, so like I was just, thinking about like the start of summer and when we first met and the start of camp and like now that summer's over and, is that like the last time we're gonna see each other,
Sorry, Nick. What are you saying?
Caitlin will be fine.
Hey,
Oh, wait.
kind of pouring my heart out here.
Nick, I'm sorry. Can we talk about this later? I'm really freaked out.
It's the second time
It's
she's
not the
blown you off
time.
now, mate. I don't know if she's... Yeah, okay. Oh no, it's bitter. I don't want to be bitter. You're hard to read.
You're hard to read.
Wait, what?
You're not even listening, are you?
No, I
Wow. I think I was that boring.
gosh, you're hurt. I just want to make sure we're safe, okay?
Go out there and help Caitlin.
What is going on out there, Caitlin? We have died. We've died.
It's okay, I got this.
She was absolutely fucking useless there. Why would you lead them to us?
Oh my god.
What happened?
Dumb
Jesus, where's the
bitch.
gun?
We gotta get out.
No, we have to hide.
Yous are both dumb. He's not running anywhere, but yeah, fuck it. I'll take Caitlin. Survival legs. No.
Oh, you're mine.
She's mine!
Oh, he's got the thingy, yeah. Wendigo type thing. Why, right? Anything to do with Wendigos? He's got superpowers now, nice. That means Caitlin got bit too. Wait. It was Abby that got bit. Yeah, Abby got bit too.
So the radio hut has like an actual radio?
This is going up like
I thought it was
minute
just
by minute, like
like
real
the
time.
morning announcements.
Oh yeah, it used to be more of a actual radio station actually. I mean it is still technically, but nobody brings their radio to camp anymore.
Yeah.
It's weird actually that there used to be kids with their radio and their portable CD player and everything, and nowadays everything we need is on the phone, but Mr. Hackett takes it on the first day at camp so that we're not distracted by technology.
Technology, it giveth and it taketh.
Facts.
So is that something like that you want to go into?
Camp radio?
No, like DJing or music.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I like music, but I think I want to major in, quantum physics.
That's different.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
You don't really seem like a science guy.
Oh, yeah,
Yes,
I
it
mean,
does.
not
Seems like the right
here.
type of nerd.
Um,
Start. This is the bridge, by the way, that falls. You are aware of that.
I'm sorry. I'm so completely fascinated by this. What do you
Confused.
mean by not here?
not here at camp. I do that at home, and then here,
You're a wise cracking smartass?
that's a little harsh, but...
No?
Okay, so maybe I was a little nervous when I arrived in an uncomfortable social situation, and I overcompensated a little bit by making a bunch of jokes.
You played into it.
Yeah, I mean, people kind of enjoyed the blasé Dylan.
And do you enjoy the blasé, Dylan?
Not, yeah, like, whatever, man, it's pretty cool. It's fine. I like Dylan.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Dylan. I'm Ryan. Well, actually, I'm let's get the fuck out of here, Ryan.
Yeah, I like him. That makes a lot of sense.
Bridge is gonna fall. Wendigo gonna come and get us. I'm not missing anything actually. No, I've already looked here. Okay, guess we'll just die. Let's just speed walk. Great, that means Nick's dying. Nick got bit. Oh, wait, what's this?
Huh.
Claw marks. Oh, tarot card, the Hermit. I've missed a few. Missed a good few actually. Oh, you just want to sit and talk?
All good?
Give me a minute.
All right.
I know the idea of these games is to keep everyone alive, right? But sometimes you just meet people you don't like, and you have the
All good?
power. I like that. It didn't make me do the dialogue option again. It just instantly chose the other one. That's cool. That's a nice little feature.
Oh, this place is kind of a dump, huh?
How dare you?
Okay, when I was a camper here, it was barely working. It hadn't been used for years, and it took me a really long time, actually, to get this place cleaned up and looking the way it is. So, I'm sorry if it's not up to your standards, but I've been putting in a lot of TLC.
Okay. Okay.
Let me get this set up. Alright.
Anything over here we can use?
Screwdriver.
The power tools? No. That's Mr. H wanted more storage, so it's kind of how he lets me keep the station going.
Gotcha. So, how far does it go?
Oh, well, it was designed just to broadcast to the PAs around camp for announcements and to, portable radios and whatever. So, I think the range is about a mile.
How do you even know all this stuff?
I just kind of picked it up.
The technical stuff has always been a little hard for me to get a handle on.
Well, if you like, I could show you the ropes.
Like a class?
Yeah, it's easy. Like climbing.
Sign me up, teach.
Anyways, this thing's gonna need a bit of a power up, but that's where this comes in.
Dust magnet.
It's supposed to be a signal booster. It's kind of janky looking, but it's worth giving a shot.
So, we can actually talk to people with this thing?
Yeah, well, it's not a two-way radio, so, we can talk, but then the best we can do is switch it over to the receiver and see if anyone broadcasts anything back, which is unlikely, but...
Well, I mean, it is what it is, I guess.
Yeah. So, what should I say?
Just, make it sound urgent.
Okay.
So is this gonna get broadcasted?
Hello,
around?
how's it going out there? This is, we need help. This is, we are counselors at Hackett's Quarry Summer Camp, and there's been a horrible accident, attack, some stuff bad here. We need your help. There is a swarm of bears, and they are everywhere. And there's these
Swarm of
hunters too, and they seem to be shooting at the bears, but also at us, which is not good. And a few of our friends are hurt, and we are in desperate need of help. So please, there's vicious bears, and we don't know what to do. So please. Come help us, SOS. This is an emergency. Save our ship. Come on down. Please help us.
Save our ship.
Did I do good? Was that?
Swarm of bears.
I know.
Yeah.
Herd of bears.
Yeah, I've heard of bears. But...
Oh god.
All right. I
My
guess I should
favorite
just like
dumb
switch this
person.
over to the receiver and see if we get anything
Yeah.
back.
Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye out while you do all this techie stuff.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Straight for that window, my guy. He's tried. Look, the claw mark's right under it.
Check it.
I got a ping on the radio, but no response. I'm gonna head to the
Wait, did he say lodge?
the other counselor.
I don't know. Hold on.
2 males in the radio shack near the cabins. Another couple unaccounted for. Copy that. Out.
Holy shit! They're talking about us. How?
Because we just told them on the fucking radio. Fuck. They know where we are, man.
We can't stay here.
Shit.
But there's creatures outside.
Let's stay calm, okay? Let's go find Caitlin and everybody, okay?
Okay, yeah. Okay. Why didn't you tell me that there's something out there?
Yeah, you've seen it out the window.
I wasn't sure, man.
Fuck, what the fuck was that?
I have no idea.
It was weird. Why did you nearly...
Ryan? Is it a bear?
Is it a bear on the roof?
Something like that.
It's weird, isn't it? It's like a skinwalker Wendigo type of thing. If it bites you, it kind of like turns you into one of those, but it's gave him great strength. My man's coming for the ceiling. Shall I shoot?
What was that? What is that?
Fuck.
What?
Caitlin, Abby, and Nick, they're coming up the path.
Oh, shit.
They're coming toward us. We gotta warn them. What about the PA?
Up top? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we can tell them to hide or something.
Fuck, no. Oh, shit.
Go for the radio.
Hold the button.
Caitlin, get into a building now. Do not come up here. There's an animal outside the radio hut. Just get into a cabin now. Go!
He singled out Caitlin.
Oh, fuck, dude.
They're gone.
Well done, though. Well done. Clutch.
What now?
Well, one of us is going to have to die whilst the other one escapes. Oh wait, we can test
We
it,
gotta kill
dude.
it.
It's not a normal animal, man.
True. Wendigos
think the
can't be
gun's
killed
gonna
by
cut it.
bullets. I shot them numerous times in the face with shotguns, which made it's weird that it also gave you enough to put shotguns again to fight similar creatures, which makes me think it's a Wendigo. And the bite and all that it could be. But if we can go out there and we can kill it with this shotgun, we'll prove it's not a Wendigo. Why wouldn't it be?
Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be?
I don't know, man. I just don't think it's a good idea to go running out guns blazing against some random ass super animal.
Well, what the hell else can we do?
Well, if it's got hearing like a dog, maybe. I mean, we could play a really high pitched feedback loop and crank it to the max, and
That's
I mean, it would
actually
hurt like hell, but.
Incredibly good idea. That's a fantastic
Okay,
idea.
fine. Let's do it. Feedback thing.
How do you know it's over here like a dog, though? When was that confirmed?
Okay, come on, Dylan. Let's do this.
So it might be a Wendigo then, which you can't see, and it focuses on sound.
It's almost.
Hey, Dylan, just take a breath. I'm sure you can figure it out.
Okay, yeah. Right.
It's alright, everyone's safe. We're in there. We're in here, they're in there. Everyone's safe.
There's something missing. What's missing?
Right. Okay,
Oh
maybe
crap!
a bit faster now, buddy.
Hold the wire.
Fix it. I'll cover you.
Are these doing this deliberately? Are they intelligent creatures? Because it's the phone wire, the electric, and now the radio. They're definitely doing that deliberately.
Okay. Just hang on.
Why does this guy instantly want to cut off everyone's limbs? Guys, shotgun or chainsaw? Should we use the shotgun and shoot it? Because that was the first thing that comes to mind for me, but that might kill him. Oh, yeah, like a chainsaw, eh?
Are you sure?
Yes, fucking do it! Fucking do it!
Oh, my wrists. If anyone ever cuts my arm off, can you do it at like fucking elbow height?
The wire, get the wire, get the wire.
What?
Get the
Don't
wire.
bleed out.
The thing, get it.
On it.
Plug it into the thing.
Keep pressure on.
Don't die.
What do I do?
The button.
That worked.
Oh, we blew
Where'd
the
you go?
speaker.
I would have preferred to. Well, let's see if I
Did
can
the
kill
trick. Nice work, Dylan.
He's just gonna die. He ain't making it till morning. Unless we get back to it.
Oh fuck, my hand.
Right.
Yeah.
Just hold on.
Why did you do that?
You told me to.
That was a bad idea.
Fucking soldier.
Is it safe?
I think we're okay for now.
We ran into one of those hunter guys.
Ah, crap.
Chased us out of the lodge. I think we lost him on the way up here. You get a message out?
I think so.
Great.
Damn, he's just soldiering it.
What the hell is going on at... Oh my god! Dylan, what happened?
Oh, I'm okay. I mean, I'm not. But it doesn't hurt.
Okay, you're in shock.
Yeah.
Holy fucking shit. Did that thing do this?
No. Well, sort of. Caitlin, where's your gun?
I lost it. One of the friendly locals wanted to say hi.
What the fuck?
Did she shoot at us?
Who's she?
Who's there?
Who was she?
Should we follow her?
Yes, we should follow her.
Oh shit, Dylan, what is that?
Bloody, no. No. I'm confused. Where's Jake? Jake's been gone for ages. Where the fuck is he? He's been gone for chapters. Guys, where the fuck is Jake? Where the fuck is Jake? I have questions. It's getting more confusing as time goes on. Raven?
Oh, you're back.
I know, I got a tarot
It's like
card.
that's one less vermin in the world.
What are you on about?
Let's take a look once more.
Was that Jake in the thingy? Is that where it was?
Here
Did
we
she kill
have
Jake?
the hermit.
Not her, I mean the
With the
gun.
hermit comes isolation, loneliness, but reflection too. Perhaps, given some thought, the hermit who gives chase can guide you to safety. But that all depends on your actions, not his. I want to show you more. Would that be all right?
I would like to see more. He turns. The old man's there as well, the old doctor, professor.
We spend so much time looking toward the future. It's easy to forget that the past holds secrets too. Worth remembering that. So it's goodbye again. I'll be here.
Goodbye.
I'll wait for you.
She seems nice.